Did you guys have fun today? You know where Claudius is?
What just happened?
Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Claudius Vertesi video. Once again, you're probably wondering
why is this kid doing the intro and not Claudius?
Claudius is actually at my house. He had some stuff to do, so I'm introing the video and going to Hereford skate park. Currently, I'm actually already here. I had a couple of friends down today. It is a very hot day. It's not particularly sunny, but it's absolutely boiling. So hopefully we can get some nice little clips for you guys. Yeah, we're here. Some little scooters arriving now. Yeah, so they're arriving now. We're gonna get some clips for you guys. Hopefully Claudius will be joining us in the next couple minutes and do a vlog as normal, basically. If you guys do enjoy this video, please remember to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button also. Let's roll some clips.
Don't mind me, I'm just having my beverage, you know what I mean? It's a cheeky little Ben and Jerry beverage.
Look who has arrived. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Mr. Claudius Vertesi.
Yo, you know where Claudius is?
No, man. There's a guy here, but I don't know where he's at.
Bro, I came all the way from London to meet Claudius. Where is Claudius today?
Yeah, I don't know, but I like your shorts, man.
Oh, no worries. Got them at Tesco. Got a good BMW deal.
Ah, yeah, nice.
I secured the deal. I'm a deal sourcing machine, Elliot.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Good things always come my way.
Cool.
Yeah. Hi! I like your pink deck.
Thank you.
Nice color. Gang. Alright, let me get my scooter. My British scooter. Can you please get the thick lens, Elliot? invented the full whip. Rotor whip. That was a rotor whip. Okay, so we are now here back at Hereford Skate Park, aka Dreamland Skate Park. Now, a while back ago in Germany, we did a really cool video segment of me comparing our new car, our T6 that we wrapped neon, with our old Audi Tron car. We got them side by side in a sunset. And so I'm gonna put this video scene right after here for you guys to watch it. And comment down below what car you like better. Do you like better our new car or our old Audi Tron car? So comment down below, enjoy the clip, throwback to Germany in 3, 2, 1, go. Yo guys, so we are seeing a very rare shot. We got both cars now here. As you can see in the background, we got the Audi and we got the new multivan Volkswagen tour van. Also, I got the merch right here, which looks like the car. Comment down below, okay? Comment down below what car you like better, okay? We got here the Audi from last year, absolutely stunning. And we got here the beautiful, gorgeous 19-inch rims, Volkswagen, super gorgeous. We also got here, this is glow in the dark. And then also, we got those 3 new scooters here. We got here the neon yellow one. We got the oil slick one. We got the Caribbean blue one here. Absolutely stunning. We are doing a quick edit now in cinematic mode. Press the like button, please, and enjoy.
Yeah. I'm here to get what I came for. An open invitation to bring slaughter. I bring precipitations and clean water. Since a teen I was deemed a supreme author. You should feel what I came in this game for. You could keep your bad bitch in your Range Rover. I drew up the blueprint for the takeover. Made a couple little flips, now the game over. Tell these niggas don't play with me. I done seen them switch they playing them from A to C. Running laps around the city, don't wait on me. This here's why these fuck boys hate on me. Cause my wordplay so birthday, piece of cake. Ground break, my flow on earthquake. Man, I'm trying to get my pockets on Earth Day. Bitch, I'm trying to go green in the worst one. Hog shit. Got the game card, no hog shit. I eat, sleep just to wake up. I can talk shit. Better hope your head ain't my target. Got the beam right, waiting for the green light just to off it. Magic trick that'll turn a car into a coffin. Pull off quick, then head to the office. Dead presidents getting head in the office. She's so cold, stone cold Steve Austin. I'm so awesome.
I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Comment Audi car or Volkswagen car. Make sure you subscribe, hit the ring bell. We are so close to 1 million subscribers, guys. I can't believe it, honestly. So thanks so much for your support. Make sure you cop some merch on claudiusvertesi.com/shop. It's the first link in the description. And we'll be in Scotland soon, Ireland, England, all the skate parks. I can't wait to see you guys. So take care, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Did you guys have fun today?